Welcome back to another video, and it's Another Candice here again. If you're new, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, like the video. If you're not new, you know, like, comment, share and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial because I don't got any noise in my background, so I might be talking about some stuff, what has been going on in my life, a little update. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna moisturize my face and everything there. Alright, what should I do? Alright, I'm just gonna do my eyes and then moisturize my face. That makes sense? Now moisturize I'm gonna do my eye then moisturize my face. I may have come up too far. In a pointed, but we're going to work with it as a pro. I'm just kidding, but we're gonna work with it. My eyebrows aren't shaved, none at all, so I have to make my father shave them again, because when he did shave it was so easy. One line through it and we're good to go. Alright. Is that a fly in my video? If that is a fly in my video, get away, fly. I open and I hear the fan, even though it's not blow for me. Maybe turn it, make it blow for me. But yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrow and then I can't talk to them. I can't concentrate. I can't write down to see when I do my eyebrow. Understand me? I never me alone, but tell me if you not always lost an eyebrow pencil. This really calm bad. If I use an expensive, it's gonna have a look up on my teeth. I'm gonna try to look up on you guys because I'm always looking down. Sit up straight. Look up. Alright, one eyebrow don't look bigger than one, but that's okay. We're gonna fix that. We are definitely going to fix that. So guys, tell me what I'm going to do now. I need some of the fun to use me. So use the spoolie and brush it upwards again. Yeah. I basically removing the lines when I do this. I don't know if you know, but like when I do eyebrow, it get lines. This it basically remove the lines. I don't want a harsh look at the front, so you know. Yeah. Brush it out. And should I do my eyebrows this thick? Ooh. Alright. I'll read this now. There you go. I'm using the shade LA Girl Chestnut for the bottom part of my brow. Maybe I'm going to do a lighter shade. Whenever I do a lighter shade, put it out for that look. So guys, I mean, maybe a lot of big people watch my channel. So like when you finish, it's like when you finish school, you start to see who your real friends are. I feel like you just have like, you have different type of friends. I think I've done a video on this before, but like you really see who is there for you and all of them things. They like who are your real friend, who is not. You like a study buddy, or yeah, who they're there with the same way even when you finish school and thing, who always check up on you, and who them not to text it daily because we're not going to talk about that much, but like who did it feel, you will definitely realize a change in people's behavior and things when you finish school. So everybody that's going to school, you're not going to have those friends forever. Well, if you do, good luck to you, but majority of the time you don't have those friends forever. Alright, so now I feel like it, you know, it dry a little bit. I feel like it dry a little bit, so I'm going to start carving my eyebrows. I don't want to, no, opposite, I don't want to put the, no, opposite, I am covering some of my hairs mainly because I want to shave. I did not shave my brows, so guys, sometimes you hear me talk Patois, sometimes you hear me talk English because I realize other countries are watching my videos, so you know I'm trying to be as professional as possible or just try to make them understand, isn't it? But I'm not gonna get the hang of it, so I'm not gonna get used to it. Oh, and guys, if I realize like me and tongue and them thing the weather, I just go back to my normal talking because that's just I don't like that. And when I hear other YouTubers at tongue, I'm like, stop it, girl, you're Jamaican. Like, nothing wrong if you talk English and them thing there, you know. But some Jamaican YouTubers, man, Jesus, I'm gonna let them live a fire, you know. Them twang out the whole thing. Even sometimes people say it in their comment section and they're like, it's how I feel, how I want to do, and then thing there. Yeah, we understand that, but as a real Jamaican, you should stick to your culture. I'm not saying nothing bad about nobody, you know. But like a couple YouTubers, I'm say twang and them thing there. So if you want to see me at twang, second this, please stop it. It do not fit you. So guys, so right now we're gonna go to the Jamaican Walmart, and that is like I want to do, man, on the talk on the jam. I mean, like, yeah, I understand to other people, but you can speak English just like what I am doing now. You can speak English and it does not sound like twangy, you know? Yeah, it does not sound like twangy. I know some understand me because I'm not an idiot, but yeah. But me definitely not going to nobody comment section and say them things. Them people that are going to people comment section, them brave. I mean, if I don't have anything positive to say about the video, I'm just not going to leave a comment. And I'm not going to nobody else, but like I'm going to click on people's video. You know, like when they on Instagram, you just like everything we see. It's like them get an automatic like from me. I don't know if I'm me alone, but like I'm gonna click on people's video, then me just like a video, I will not watch it. It's like me just get used to. Come on, I don't know. Like if somebody watch my video more, I like them do the same. So it's like me give them an automatic like on their videos. Tell me if I'm me alone, just like people's video. When I watch YouTube. Alright, so let's see. The arch is good. Let's see what I want to do. First of all, eyebrows are not twins. They are never identical, trust me. So one of them always gonna be bad. Not bad like it can wear, but it's not going to be the same. One will always look better than the other. Yes, that's what I am trying to say. You see? Look. Different arch. I want to get these good. Yes guys, so as I was saying, people like to twang. Let's talk Jamaican. We're not for bad with the power because everybody power different, and yeah, because like me, hear me talk. Okay, so my eyebrows, they're not looking bad. They're literally not looking bad. Like, they're not looking bad. They're not looking bad. So, wanna see? Alright, so I'm not going to be, but it's just the I think both to do like a look at something right so with it. But like, I'm not do that. So I'm just going to be using my foundation to get the top part, and then we can blend out everything. Alright, this is the foundation? Yeah, no, it's not this. So the foundation that I'm going to be using is 37 Fit Me. 370 Deep Brands Fit Me foundation, guys. Y'all don't know the struggle finding foundation. I buy 360 and foundation is very expensive. I'm gonna try a different brand other than Fit Me. Like Fit Me, I think Fit Me have an next something more name. 30 hours. I'm going to try and buy that, but guess what, guys? I don't got the dollars. I have it, so I can buy it. But whenever I get it, I sure will. And see, because them actually have darker shades than these regular ones, and those ones have a pump, which is very convenient. Because like you don't want to put back nothing at the back, right? So when you take it out of this way, you have to try use it up your face, and sometimes people do that and then face cakey bad. I'm not telling like, and all the time my makeup I look good like me. I can't even do makeup to save my life, but it's just something that I like, and from you like it, you're going to get the hang of it in due time. I get what I say? So yeah, and every time people makeup I look good, brother. You see when you watch TikTok makeup and them things there, but sometimes the makeup not look half good as the TikTok. But like them have, it's the lighting. I don't know how to explain it. But that I realize, I think some people talk about it on TikTok, say it's actually the lighting and the edit, especially with pictures. But I know them high-end editors, them edit them picture them good, brother. So you see, them smooth out them face and all of them things. But yeah, if you like it, you will get out of it. Just like me, I don't know how me usually do my eyebrow them big and thick. I'm used to use chestnut because I thought that was the darkest shade. I don't even know if Express is the darkest shade, but it's alright. And even this foundation shade, I don't think that it is perfect. I want to try Pageant Boss Beauty by Beauty name? Beauty by Pageant Boss, but guess what, guys? Those stuff are expensive. So you can't use them. Alright, so right now I'm gonna use this brush to blend it out. So one brush I use, I'm blending the darker one first, and then I can blend the lighter shade. Right, so this is it. So it actually got on my skin good, but like I know say this is have a better shade than this, but I think it's from Maybelline or maybe Black Opal. Wanna see it? Yeah, and maybe like Black Opal would have my shade, but like I don't know if I'm gonna stop or what, but like nobody knows. One time if you do have Black Opal, you not say nothing, but no, nobody knows really is Black Opal. But yeah, how long I take to do my eyebrow? Nothing like the arch is all looking good. So guys, I know my mother come and I'm